New ID6 ID7 ID8 UI 12.3-inch Android system wireless CarPlay Auto for BMW 5 Series F10 F11 CIC and BT is a cutting-edge car video player and GPS navigation system available on Aliexpress. Designed specifically for BMW 5 Series F10 and F11 models, this system combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to enhance your driving experience. It runs on an Android operating system, powered by an 8-core processor, with a main frequency of up to 2.0 GHz, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. With 8 GB of running memory and 128 GB of storage memory, the device offers ample space for apps, media, and navigation data. The 12.3-inch high-definition touchscreen, with a resolution of 1920 by 720p, provides crisp and vibrant visuals, making it a pleasure to use. One of the standout features of this system is its built-in DSP digital signal processing chip, which enhances audio quality through multi-segment audio processing. This ensures superior sound for music, phone calls, and navigation prompts, creating an immersive audio experience. The system also supports wireless connectivity, including iOS wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. The system ensures perfect interaction between your mobile phone and the new screen, all without the need for cables. Entertainment options are plentiful with this system. It supports online audio, video, and browsing, as well as local media playback for movies and audio stored on the device. Bluetooth 5.0 technology enables wireless music streaming, delivering clear and high-quality sound even at high speeds. The split-screen functionality is another impressive feature, allowing you to view navigation and video playback simultaneously. This makes it easier to multitask, whether you're following directions or enjoying your favorite media. Navigation is made simple and accurate with support for popular maps like Google Maps and Ego. The system ensures you never lose your way, whether you're driving in familiar areas or exploring new destinations. For those with a reversing camera installed in their car, the system supports the original reversing image, making parking and maneuvering safer and more convenient. Additionally, the system retains all original car functions, including steering wheel controls, the original CD player, the drive system, and audio features. This ensures that upgrading to this new system does not compromise any of your car's existing functionalities. The system is designed to be user-friendly and versatile. It supports 90% of the world's languages, making it accessible to a global audience. Whether you drive a left-hand or right-hand drive vehicle, the system is fully compatible. Installation is straightforward, with detailed instructions included in the package. Once installed, you can easily download and install apps like YouTube or additional navigation maps, customizing the system to suit your preferences. The 2024 new ID6 ID7 ID8 UI 12.3-inch Android system wireless CarPlay Auto for BMW 5 Series F10 F11 is a feature-rich upgrade that combines modern technology with seamless integration into your vehicle.